Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Listening Lab. I'm John.
And I'm Olivia. We are so happy you are joining us today.
Today, we are going to talk about something we all have, a daily routine.
That's right, our daily habits, the things we do every day from morning to night.
It's a great topic for practicing simple everyday English. So let's get started.
Okay, John, I'll start. Tell us about your mornings. What is the first thing you do when you wake up?
The very first thing, I turn off my alarm clock. It makes such a loud noise.
I know that sound. Do you get up immediately or do you press the snooze button?
I always want to press the snooze button, but I try not to. I usually get up after about 1 minute. I stretch my arms and my legs a little.
A good stretch is nice in the morning.
It is. Then I walk to the kitchen, and the most important part of my morning begins.
Let me guess. Coffee?
Exactly. I must have coffee. I make a big cup of black coffee. No sugar, no milk.
Just black coffee. Strong.
Yes, I need it to wake up properly. While I drink my coffee, I sit and look out the window. It's very quiet and peaceful.
That sounds lovely. So what's next? Breakfast?
Yes, after coffee, it's time for breakfast. My breakfast is very simple. I usually have a bowl of cereal with milk.
Cereal. Okay.
Or sometimes, if I have more time, I have 2 eggs. I like them scrambled. And I always have a glass of orange juice.
Ah, vitamin C. Very healthy.
I try. After I finish breakfast, I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, and I take a shower.
A shower in the morning helps you feel fresh.
For sure. Then I get dressed. For work, I usually wear a shirt and trousers, something comfortable but professional.
Right.
I pack my bag with my laptop, my keys, and my wallet. Then I am ready to leave.
What time do you usually leave the house?
I leave at 8:30. My work starts at 9 and it takes me about 30 minutes to get there.
And you take the bus, right?
Yes, I take the bus. I like it because on the bus I can relax. I usually listen to music or a podcast.
So that's your morning. It sounds very organized.
I try to keep it organized. It makes a day start well. Now it's your turn, Olivia. Are you a morning person? Do you like mornings?
That's a great question. I am not a morning person. It is very hard for me to wake up.
Oh, so you are the opposite of me.
Yes, my alarm clock rings at 7:15, but I press the snooze button maybe 2 or 3 times.
3 times. So you get up around 7:30?
Exactly. I need that extra time. When I finally get out of bed, I am very slow.
So no coffee for you?
I drink tea in the morning. I prefer green tea. It's gentle. While the water boils, I get my clothes ready for the day.
That's smart. Planning ahead.
It saves time. For my breakfast, I eat something very quick, usually just a banana and some yogurt.
A banana and yogurt. That is very quick.
Yes, because I am always a little late. After my small breakfast, I brush my teeth and put on my makeup. Then I get dressed, grab my bag, and I run out the door.
It sounds like your morning is a big rush.
It is. Luckily, I live close to my office. It's about a 15-minute walk.
A walk is a nice way to start the day. You get some fresh air.
That's true. I like the walk. It helps me wake up before I start work.
Okay, so our mornings are very different. What about your evenings, Olivia?
Well, I finish work at 5. I change my clothes and I'd go for a run in the park near my house. It helps me clear my head.
That's a great habit. After work, I usually just go home and feel tired.
The exercise gives me more energy, actually. After my run, I go home and make dinner. I really enjoy cooking.
What did you make for dinner last night?
Last night, I made grilled salmon with roasted vegetables. It was delicious.
That sounds much better than my dinner. I just had a sandwich.
You should cook more, John. It's fun. What do you do after dinner?
I wash the dishes, of course. Then I sit on the sofa and relax. I like to watch comedies on TV. They make me laugh after a long day.
Laughing is important. After dinner, I wash the dishes too. Then at about 8 o'clock, I usually watch a TV series or a movie.
Mm-hmm. What about before bed?
Before bed, I try to read for about 30 minutes. It helps my brain switch off.
I do that too. I am reading a good mystery novel right now. So, what time do you go to sleep?
I try to be in bed by 11 o'clock. I need about 8 hours of sleep.
Me too. Sleep is so important for a good routine. Well, it was really interesting to hear about your day, Olivia.
You too, John. It's funny how different our routines can be.
That's very true. And for all of our listeners, we hope this was a helpful look at daily routines.
Yes, a great way to practice your English is to write down your own daily routine. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the evening?
That is a perfect exercise. Use simple sentences and the vocabulary we use today. That's a great suggestion. Before we wrap up, I'm curious, Olivia. We've talked about our weekday routines, but what about the weekends? Are your weekends just as structured?
That's an interesting question. My weekends are much more relaxed. I don't set an alarm, so I wake up naturally. On Saturdays, I often go to the local farmers market in the morning to buy fresh vegetables and fruits. I love the atmosphere there.
A farmer's market sounds like a wonderful way to start the weekend. Very peaceful. What else do you do?
Well, that is all the time we have for this episode.
Thank you for listening to English Listening Lab. Join us again next time.
Goodbye for now.